Okay, so day 5, we woke up in Auckland and watched the beautiful sunrise over the city while we had our morning coffee. We then headed into the city with our first stop being to the Weta Workshop. This is where they film or make a lot of the props for movies such as Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit and The Labyrinth. Some of the detail in the props that they make is absolutely incredible. You really need to see it in person. The camera doesn't do it justice. However, we'll show you some of what we saw, so enjoy.
Just push the button and it'll start. See?
It's a 1/28 scale model. That means if you take your pinky finger and put it anywhere, it's about how big you'd be if you were walking around in this world.
After the Weta Workshop tour, it was time for lunch, so we walked down to the Viaduct and had a lovely Mexican meal. Of course, there's always strange things to see in other countries. New Zealand did not disappoint, with a guy dressed as a witch's hat on a scooter. We finished the day with a walk up to One Tree Hill Lookout, which was great. Thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe for future videos. Cheers! just like that, it's day 6 and it's time to head home. We packed up, had a coffee, checked out the view from our balcony one last time and headed off to the airport to get ready to fly back to Brisbane. So one thing we found out in relation to our MasterCard is that the international airports have a MasterCard Lounge where, depending on your MasterCard, and you need to look this up for yourself, but for us, for instance, we get one free, or two free, one each, stays at the international lounge at an airport once a year. So we decided to try it out in Auckland at the Strata Lounge. It's excellent. It doesn't cost us anything. You can pay if you want to do extra stays at other places, but essentially gives you 2 hours in their lounge where they have free food, free drink, there's showers, there's TVs, charging stations. It's just a really nice space to be able to go and get a feed and something to drink. And it includes things like spirits, wine, beer, a whole range of stuff. So yeah, definitely check it out because it's just a perk of having a MasterCard sometimes. And for us, as I say, it didn't cost us a cent and we got to spend 2 hours while we waited for our flight.